Welcome to Bocchi at KBIS 2026 here in Orlando, Florida. We're showing a few new products this year, including our Soto step rim undermount workstation, which actually is a tri-mount sink where you can take the same SKU, drop in, undermount, semi-reveal. This is a workstation in fire clay, so you get a top tier functionality as well as then other accessories inside the sink. Additionally, we also have color matching bottom grids and drains, and very soon we will have color matching accessories for the top of the sink, including the roller mats, as well as the colanders in those matching colors, so that you can totally match your faucet all the way through from top to bottom. These are only sold in decorative plumbing and hardware showrooms across the United States. We offer this model in a double bowl, load divide, 60/40, as well as a single bowl at outstanding price points, available only through, as I said, brick and mortar showrooms. We also have a few other new things we want to show you real quick. This is a new finish coming out this year. This is called Matte Jasmine. Jasmine is a matte biscuit type color. This is brand new. The earth tones are hot and back based on the more earth tone countertops that we're seeing become very popular in the kitchen, where white just stands out a little too much. So we've got a lot of options now to soften down the sink color as well. And we have another new color right around the corner. This one over here is called Concrete. It has a little bit of a gray taupe tone. So again, those earth, soft, more natural, organic colors. So these colors will be new and they're coming out later this year and will be available throughout the Bocchi kitchen sink collection. All right, as a bonus feature, back for one more, we do have, and we've shown this before, this is our Baveno Hideaway sink. You're able to get your countertop back, and beyond the countertop, you're able to lift off the cutting boards, and that reveals an entire sink underneath. The faucet telescopes up, where you're able to utilize your faucet just like you normally would in any wet bar or side sink. When you're finished, that pushes down and out of the way. Then the kitchen can be closed until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. Have a great one.